Fuck you, man. Thusitse guru thusitse mona o bola ke tlala iso o sokola iso o tla da so ra o thusa ina le kapsa mfethu. You were coming every day, Ralph Space. You were coming every day into the house. Every day. Kwena dasu. Wa record amala rufile space sao. Wa ira album. So mutu lang spiti piti limpuso ngo. Uru emuna, wena muna. Masepa mutu wena man. Nkwatisa wena pila. Cause kindness ya rona, like us being good to you, you take advantage of that. Horna go wena. Man. Nangle na something so to alona o. Nangle. If le nano riena o na le pile sharp. Cause na le pile masip. O ka dile mfana ka hold him down dog. Like mass music hold this nigga down. Like down like as it says a G. And on come so. Now we have to look back as if Rona we discredited you there. Obviously, repost still alive. We went live. We saw by but obviously we can't do anything because of you fighting us. You don't want the song to be out. So we have to take you out on the song so that the song can be out and then we'll take it from there. Fuck the song. Actually, no go rain Pinela. Rain Pinela. YouTube. Because of really, I ain't a blessing. Like Pinela, it doesn't have blessing at all. It's fucked already. Ruin my boys move. Lisamfonela how I've saved this culture, my bra. I fucking saved this culture. Lino go ring because I've saved this culture. Lino no kabza ona taba kabza kamkhola this thing. Yeah. Lena no game yo otlhe e o re be bjana la itse re rile ke mang I fucking saved this culture of South African music. South African SA is driven by this motherfucker. I've saved a lot of things. I've crawled for you guys. This is what I'm gafela, man. Let's not nyela, man.